Okay, from the device tab, we choose the fixture tab. From the fixture tab, we choose discover. Discovery sensor screen pops up. Number of installed sensors, we know there's 8 in this room, so we have 8 here. We hit start. It should go out and find our sensors. So now it says number of discovered sensors, 8, so we're all done. Now we see the 8 fixtures that we've discovered. Next is we're going to commission. We could commission them one at a time, or we could do bulk commissioning. If we want to make sure that they're wired correctly, we can include the wiring validation, which will turn them on and off. All the fixtures went off. All of our fixtures went back on. You see on the screen you'll have your floor plan. So if you bring your floor plan and zoom into the area that you're at, we're in room 225. All our lights went to a low setting so that you know they're in commissioning mode. And all of our discovered devices are on the bottom left-hand side of the screen here. So that we know which one we're discovering, we take a LED light or a laser pointer and we start in one spot and we flash our sensor. And you see that the light switches up and on. Sometimes, depending on the size of the room, you'll get multiple fixtures that come on at once, which then could make it a little bit harder. You choose the fixture that you think you have, and it comes over to the right-hand side of the screen where you choose all your settings. So our ballast type on this fixture, we don't have the exact one, so we're just going to choose one that's close. Really doesn't matter that much. The lamp type, we're going to choose LED. And you only have to do this for one fixture if you have multiple fixtures that are all the same. Our voltage is 277, we leave that. And our profile, so that we don't have to do it later, we can set the profile, is going to be classroom. And I've already created a profile for classrooms that have the lights on and off at a correct setting. So once I have all that set, all I have to do is move my mouse to where that fixture is, and that fixture is on the left-hand side of the door as you walk in, which is here. Move the mouse to the position, right-click, commission and place. You'll see it says fixture commissioned successfully. Now, because that one, 2 of them popped up, we're going to assume the other one is the one next to it. We select it. We see that everything moved from that corner to the center of our screen. Everything is all correct already. All we have to do is go to where it's at with the mouse, right-click, commission and place. We'll wait until it says fixture commissioned successfully. It is. So now we choose the next one. We take the laser pointer and we strobe it. And it pops up. Again, because these fixtures are close together, we're grabbing 2 of them. Everything's the same. We put this one here. We right-click, commission in place. We can line it up later. Right now it's just a matter of getting this part done. We choose the next one that it accidentally strobed. Commission in place. We move to the next set. Select it, popped up here. Everything's the same. Right click, commission in place. So you can see how quickly it goes. I can do it all from sitting down with a laser pointer. Select it, everything's the same. Commission in place. Next set on the left. Grab both of them. Select it. Commission in place. We've already got the last one. We select it. Right click. Commission in place. So now we have all of them fixture commissioned successfully. We choose done. Are we sure? This will take us out of the commissioning screen. We go back to our floor plan screen. Zoom in so we can see. There's all of our fixtures. To check and see if they work, we can grab all of them, turn them off, turn them on. To see if they're the right ones, we can grab them one at a time. This should be the one to the left of the doorway. Off, on. So if we walk in the door, so we know that we have this one reversed. So it's real easy. We unlock it. We select it. It goes over here, which means that this one will go over here. Now we have this one selected. We can check it. We turn it off. It goes off. It goes on. In a small room like this is just as easy as, otherwise you could exit commission and go back in if you selected one and use a mask. Our light went back on. We check the next one, which will be right above chalkboard. Turn it off. It's correct. Turn it on. Do the one behind it. Off. On. Next one. Off. It's correct. On. I'm sure this is right, but we'll just do it. Last one in the left corner. No, so we got that one reversed. So again, we just drag it into place. It goes here. This one goes here. Off, on. For later on, you could straighten out all of them. You just get them close on the screen. Snap to grid. Select all of them. And they snap to the grid, but you have to be close. You could make your grid bigger. Helps line them up. So you could spend a lot of time straightening out all this stuff. Okay. Then when you're all done, you can look and see the fixture status. It's showing us that the fixture is on at 40%. I can't use the mouse to point. Occupied 0 seconds ago because we're standing here and it's 78 degrees at the fixture. And we can check every one. 41%. So right now our fixtures are set at 41%. If we wanted to, we could turn them down with the bar. You can see they all dimmed. We check 27% on, 14 watts. So if you set the light levels to a comfortable level for class, if you didn't look at this number and you just set them, this is 77%, so we could probably do 75% easily in this classroom. And that's as simple as it is. We lock the drag and drop so we can drag it around later, and obviously later we would line this up better. That's it.